Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. For today's recipe, I'm going to show you how I make my shrimp fried rice. This is huge in flavor and it's so quick to make, and you can also customize it by adding your favorite vegetables or even switching up the shrimp with your favorite protein. So let me show you how to make it. You're going to need 2 cups of uncooked brown rice or jasmine rice, 1 pound of shrimp, half of an onion that's sliced, 2 garlic cloves that's minced, 1 cup of shredded carrots, 3 to 4 green onions that's diced, 2 eggs, 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, and 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. This is what I'm using, but you can also use the cubes. Salt to taste, required water for the rice, and oil for cooking. Start by making the rice. So place a pan over medium heat and pour in the oil. Add in the onion and the garlic and saute till the onions are translucent. Then add in the curry powder and the chicken bouillon powder and saute for another 1 to 2 minutes. Add in the rice and saute the rice with the onion and the seasonings for about 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, pour in the required water to cook the rice. Cover and cook the rice. Make sure to not overcook the rice. While the rice is cooking, season the shrimp with salt and pepper. Now set this aside. Now crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Beat the eggs using a fork. Now head over to the stove and pour oil to a pan on medium heat and add in the seasoned shrimp and cook the shrimp on each side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the shrimp is cooked completely, transfer it onto a plate and pour in a little more oil to the pan. Add in the shredded carrots and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then place the carrots to one side of the pan and pour in the beaten eggs and scramble it. Once the eggs are cooked, mix the carrots with the egg and saute for another minute. Add in the cooked shrimp, cooked rice, soy sauce, and green onions. Now give this a good mix. And the shrimp fried rice is ready to enjoy. I love to make this during a busy weeknight. It comes together so quickly and it has bold flavors. If you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!